Hello and welcome everybody to Crypto Rosetta. My name is Savage and today we're going to be having a look at JASMY Coin. Before we jump to the price action, just want to say thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a video. And why not leave us some feedback down below. Also in the description you'll find a link to the Discord. Come check it out. It is free to join. Okay, so let's get into the price action here. So, potentially we're still looking for that possibility of either having a bigger impulse out of this move or potentially just a three-wave structure, potentially up here towards this zone of this 12, 01288 region. And what I'm looking for within this is I don't think that this correction is over. It is possible that technically we could put this C wave into the low here, but from a structure point of view, it makes more sense to actually be in here, unless we look at as this is having an extension within the fifth wave here, where this becomes a one, two, three, four, and then basically all of this is a fifth wave move to the downside here. Alternatively, like I said, you can look at this as an A, B, and a C into here, and then basically because of the way that we move down here, I am looking at the potential that this is a flat correction. So if this is a flat correction here, potentially we have met the requirement that we'd be looking for this A wave here. So I'm just going to throw this onto here, down into this low. Actually, let's get right on there. So we've actually come up to this 1.618 already, and for the most part, this could look to turn around at this point. We're also sitting at the bottom of this resistance zone here. Potentially we could look to get some rejection from this area, but we're going to discuss a bullish option as well, where potentially, because of the fact we have come into this 50%, we could actually start to look to move away from here in a bigger five-wave move. So we're going to discuss both of those options here. So at the moment, like I said, potentially we are looking for that possibility as a flat correction in here. And the way that I'm looking at it is pretty much that this should be completed. And basically what I want to see here, I've actually got it marked up on the here. So technically speaking, we could argue that this third wave here, where this becomes one, two, three, four, and five into there, this could have been our fourth wave, and this could be our fifth wave. So this fifth wave, there's not really a lot to go off of here, but it does look like a three-wave move. So I'm thinking that potentially, we could argue that we are either this third wave is completed in here, or potentially we're still within this fourth wave here. And we could be looking to come down one more time, potentially looking to retest this zone of the 00520 to this 554395 zone. If we don't and we just continue to push up here, potentially this could be some kind of a diagonal or something here. If we come up one more time, that would fit, where this becomes a one, two, three, four, and five to the upside. So the target zone is actually this red box area, which would be this 00622 to this 00600 area. So if we do push up one more time here, potentially we could look for a continuation up. I'd be keeping an eye on this zone. Potentially this is also a 0.382 retracement here. And effectively that could then mark the top of this, the end of this five-wave structure if we are looking at it in this manner where we're still within this fifth. However, like I said, it is possible that we could be forming a fourth here, a more complex fourth as an A, B, and potentially a C wave, potentially down back into the range of this move here, which was 0.00513 sort of area. That could bring us back down towards this 50% if we do look to move down into this range before looking to push up. Like I said, the structure is not great as a five-wave structure here currently. Potentially we could look to push up into this range and then look to break down from there. So that would be what I'd be looking for if we're looking for this possibility of a flat correction within here. And then potentially what they would be looking for, I'm going to just remove that off the screen for now. What we'd then be looking for would be that potential to actually look to break down one more time towards this 0.03718 region. If this is a B wave, in fact, we could look to push down deeper here. If we fail to achieve this one-to-one, then some interesting areas would be here, this golden pocket, this 0.04169 to the 0.04021 area. potentially this could be a zone we actually look to revisit if we do look to break down here. What I would be looking for, if it's going to be a C wave, would be 5 wave move. If it's going to be a Y wave, then effectively a 3 wave move to the downside, looking to target out these areas. So for as long as this 00345 region holds, potentially we have that possibility of looking for this move up in a C wave and or a wave three if it moves high enough. We don't have enough confirmation yet. Like I said, this could actually look to be a B wave connector in here, and then we actually look to push down one more time here. So that's what we're looking for at the moment within the structure. Like I said, we can be looking for that bigger move up, and we need to just be a little bit cautious with this because we were talking about the possibility that our Y wave could complete into here, or alternatively, this could be forming a different structure where it becomes a W, X, Y, X, and a Z to the downside. In which case, basically, we could be looking for a much deeper move here still. Doesn't have to move down to that 1-to-1 down there, which is the 0.0037998 area, but it does have that potential to at least set another low here. So if we do just get a 3 wave move here, where this becomes A, we come back down for B, we get a move up here for the C wave, and then we actually look to reject off of this 1-to-1 of that previous X wave, which is currently sitting at this 0.01238 region. Potentially we could actually look to continue to the downside here and look to break down even deeper. So we need to just be careful of that. This is going to be our key supports area, and if we lose this 0.00345 and this low point here, this 0.027 1125 area, then we don't have that bullish potential anymore here to actually look to push to the upside here, and we could actually look to break down one more time before we actually before we look to move up. So yeah, we just need to be careful. We were also talking previously about that possibility that this could be a fourth wave move here, and we need to also be aware that we could count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, potentially a fifth wave in here. We have not invalidated we've not validated that possibility. Even this could still be a fourth wave. I wouldn't match it with this second wave here, but potentially it could be that actually our third wave completes further back here. This is a flat as a fourth wave, and then we actually look to push down one more time for a fifth wave move down into this zone. So we need to just be a little bit cautious. If we do get a single 5 wave move to the downside here, basically what we'd then be looking for would be that possibility that this could become either an A wave, we get a B wave up, and then a C wave down, or alternatively a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside, which would look to push us much deeper, past this low point here and potentially down to those lower targets if we do start to see that. So we really want to try and get back. Um, we really want to try and get back above this point of this 0.0589 and back above this high point of this 0.0814 area. For as long as we fail to actually break back up past some of these key zones here, we could actually just look to reject off this level of support that we've lost here and continue down. If we do, like I said, form a 5 wave structure down, uh, then we would have to be cautious that we could actually see that continuation after this gets a retracement to the upside in a 3 wave move here, where we get a 3 wave move potentially back up. If we completed in that box area, we'd be looking potentially for a rejection in this zone here of this 0.595958 to this area here of this 0.07244. So we need to be cautious on the move up here. If we just get 3 wave structure playing out, after if we do actually break down one more time, then we need to just keep an eye on this zone here. If we do just move up in a 3 wave move, it could be setting us up for a bigger sell-off, which could look to continue down in the future. So yeah, I mean, we need to just be careful. There's a number of ways of looking at this. Uh, we can break it down in a few ways, but the important thing here is that we've actually moved into that support zone, and it has held so far. We have started to move away, but like I said, I don't think it's completed yet. I do feel like there is more to come here, but we'll have to see. If we do look for that potential to break out from this point, holding those zones is going to be key. We're going to have to hold this zone here of this 511284 to this 004727 range on that retracement, and then look for that continuation to the upside here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the video there. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a video. Leave us some feedback down below, and also in the description you'll find a link to Discord. Come check it out, it is free to join. As well as that, you'll find affiliate links for both Primex BT and BYBIT down in the description. Both great exchanges that we use on a regular basis. If you don't have an account with them, using the affiliate link does help support the channel, and we do appreciate it. Everyone have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care out.